In this video, we'll explore the various reports available in the BDRSuite backup server and uncover the valuable insights they offer. BDRSuite offers insights into backup jobs, recovery tasks, and storage usage with reports like backup status, recovery status, and audit logs. Stay informed through dashboard summaries, email notifications, and user activity tracking for enhanced security and accountability. Open the backup server's web-based console in your browser, enter your username and password, and click Sign In. First, let's take a look at the reports for hypervisors, servers, and endpoints. To begin, navigate to the Hypervisor, Server, and Endpoint tab and select Reports. These include the Dashboard, Backup Job, Backup Copy Job, Data Recovery, Offsite Copy DR, Data Integrity, Audit Logs, and more. Now let's dive into the dashboard report. The dashboard report includes details like the machine-level overview, backup job overview, and backup copy job overview reports. Now, select the dashboard and choose the machine-level overview report. The dashboard for backup of hosts, VMs, displays the daily status of all physical and virtual machines backing up to the server, highlighting the latest schedule status for each day. Click on the green icon to view the detailed report for the host or VM. Next, select the Backup Job Level Overview report. The dashboard for backup jobs shows the daily status of all backup jobs on the server, highlighting the latest schedule status for each day. When clicked on the green icon, we can view the detailed report for the backup job. Next, select the Backup Copy Job Level Overview report. The dashboard for backup copy jobs displays the daily status of all configured backup copy jobs, highlighting the latest schedule status for each day. Click on the green icon to view the detailed report for the backup copy job. Now let's dive into the backup job report. The backup job reports include the machine level view, backup job level view, missed backup schedule, retention for VM and disk backup, retention for files and folders backup, deleted backup jobs, and deleted machines for hosts and VMs. Now select the backup job and choose Machine Level View Reports. This report provides details of the latest schedule for all physical and virtual machines across all backup jobs on the backup server, along with an overall job summary for each host and VM. You can also view the Success Report, which highlights the successful completion of backup jobs for hosts and VMs. Similarly, you can view the Failed Hosts and VMs report, which highlights any backup jobs that did not complete successfully for hosts and VMs. Additionally, you can view the Warning Report, which highlights any hosts or VMs that encountered issues during the backup job. You can also check the Unprocessed Report for host or VMs not processed during the backup. Next, select the Backup Job Level View report for a detailed overview of each backup job's performance. The Recent Backup Job Schedule report contains details of the latest schedule for all the backup jobs and a historical report on them. Next, select the Missed Backup Schedule report. The Missed Backup Schedule report provides details of jobs that failed to run at their scheduled time. Now, select the Retention for VM and Disk Image Backup report. In this report, you'll find details about the restore points, which are based on the retention policy set for each backup job. Next, let's select the Retention for File and Folder Backup report. The Backup Data Retention report provides details of backed up file versions and deleted files that were removed according to the retention policy configured for each backup job. Next, the Deleted Backup Jobs and Deleted Machines report provides details of all the backup jobs and machines that have been removed from this backup server. Next, select the Backup Copy Job report to view detailed performance insights for each backup copy job. The Backup Copy Job report includes details such as Backup Job Level View, retention for VM and disk backup, deleted backup copy jobs, and deleted machines reports. Select the Backup Job Level View report to analyze detailed performance metrics for each backup copy job. The Recent Backup Copy Job Schedule report provides details of the latest schedules for all backup copy jobs, along with a historical overview of their performance. Now, select the Retention for VM Disk Image Backup report. The Host VM Backup Copy Data Retention report contains the details of the restore points based on the retention policy configured for each backup copy job. Next, the Deleted Backup Jobs and Deleted Machines report provides details of all the backup jobs and machines that have been removed from this backup server. Now, let's take a look at all the recovery reports. The Data Recovery Report includes details on full VM recovery, disk mount, download disk level recovery, disk partition recovery, and file level recovery for VMs, disk image backups, and file and folder backups. First, let's explore the full VM recovery report. This report provides details of each full VM recovery performed for the backup jobs on this backup server. Next, select the Disk Mount Recovery Report. This report provides details of each disk mount recovery performed for the backup jobs on this backup server. Select the Download Disk Reports to view detailed information. This report provides details of each download VM and disk recovery performed for the backup jobs from this backup server. Now, let's select the Disk Level Recovery Report. This report provides details of each disk-level recovery performed for VMware VMs as part of the backup jobs on this backup server. Next, select the Disk Partition Recovery Report. This report contains details of each disk-level recovery for Windows performed as part of the backup jobs on this backup server. Select the File-Level Recovery Reports. This report contains details of each file-level recovery performed for the disk image backup jobs on this backup server. Next, let's explore the Offsite Copy DR report. Select Offsite Copy DR report. The Offsite Copy DR report provides details of the offsite copy schedules for all backup jobs replicated from this backup server. Next, let's explore the Data Integrity Report. Select the Data Integrity Report from the Reports menu. This report provides details of the mount and boot tests performed for image-based backups of VMs and disks. Click the screenshot icon near the boot status to view the boot screen screenshot. Similarly, you can view the mount status of the host. Next, let's explore the audit logs. Select the audit log from the Report menu. The audit log contains the record of events or changes that occurred in BDR servers. Check out the detailed video on email notifications and ConnectWise ticketing, linked in the description below. We've covered the hypervisor, server, and endpoint reports. Now let's explore the cloud workload reports. To start, navigate to the Cloud Workloads tab and select the report. The Cloud Workloads section includes reports like Backup Job, VMs and instances, and Data Recovery. Now, let's take a look at the Backup Job report. The Backup Job reports include details such as the recent job schedule and the retention report. The Recent Backup Jobs Schedule report provides details of the latest schedule for all backup jobs, along with a historical report of these jobs. Next, select the Retention Reports. The Backup Data Retention Report provides details of the restore points based on the retention policy configured for each backup job. Now, let's check out the VM and Instance Report. The VMs and Instances report consists of a recent historical report detailing the backup status of your virtual machines and instances. The Backup Report for VMs and Instances provides details of the latest schedule for all VMs, instances, across all backup jobs configured on this backup server. It also includes the historical backup report for each VM instance. Next, let's check the Data Recovery Report. The Data Recovery Report includes VM, instance recovery, volume recovery, disk mount, download disk, EC2 instance, and volume recovery from the backup repository, Azure VM recovery from the backup repository, and file-level recovery. Let's first check the VM Instance Recovery Report. This report contains details of each VM instance-level recovery performed for the backup jobs, along with their recovery logs. Next, select Volume Recovery. This report contains details of each volume-level recovery performed for the backup jobs, along with their recovery logs. Next, select the Disk Mount Reports. This report contains details of each disk mount recovery performed for the backup jobs from this backup server. Now select the Download Disk Report. This report contains details of each download VMs and disks recovery performed for the backup jobs from this backup server. Check out the detailed video on the EC2 instance and volume recovery from Backup Repository, linked in the description below. Select the Azure VM Recovery from Backup Repository Report. This report provides details of each VM level recovery performed for the backup jobs, along with the corresponding recovery logs. Next, select the File-Level Recovery Reports. This report provides details of each file-level recovery performed for the disk image backup jobs from this backup server. The link for the detailed video on email notifications will be provided in the description box. As the cloud workloads reports are covered, Let's explore the SaaS Applications reports next. To begin, navigate to the SaaS tab in the Report menu. The SaaS section consists of the Recent Job Schedule Report, User and Object Report, License Status Report, Data Recovery Report, the Offsite Copy Report, and more. Select the Recent Job Schedule Report. It consists of sections for Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. First, choose the Microsoft 365. The Recent Backup Jobs Schedule Report contains details of the latest schedule for all Microsoft 365 backup jobs and a historical report on the backup jobs. Now select the Google Workspace option. Similar to the Microsoft 365 report, this report contains details of the latest schedule for all the Google Workspace backup jobs. It also includes the historical report of the backup jobs. Now, let's explore the Users and Objects reports. Select the User and Object report and choose Microsoft 365. The Backup Summary report shows details related to each user or object that is configured for backup. This report is updated every 24 hours. Here, we have the User Mailbox report, and here is the SharePoint Sites report. Similarly, we also have the Group Mailbox report and the Teams report. Now, select the Google Workspace option to view the backup summary for Google Workspace users and objects. This report shows details on each user or object configured for backup in Google Workspace. Here is the User Mailbox report, and here is the Share Drive report. Next, let's explore the License Status report. The License Status report consists of Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace sections. Select the Microsoft 365 option. The License Status report contains details of the list of protected Microsoft 365 users, along with their backup license status. This report is updated every 24 hours. It includes the User Mailbox, Group Mailbox, SharePoint Sites, and Teams reports. Next, select the Google Workspace option. Similar to Microsoft 365, this report contains details of the protected Google Workspace users and their backup license status. It includes the User Mailbox and Shared Drive reports. Now, let's explore the Data Recovery reports under the SaaS Application. The Data Recovery report consists of Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace report first. Choose the Microsoft 365. The Recovery report provides details of all the recoveries performed for the Microsoft 365 backup jobs. Now select the Google Workspace option. The Recovery report provides details of all the recoveries performed for the Google Workspace backup jobs. Next, let's explore the Offsite Copy (DR) reports. Select the Offsite Copy DR option under the Report menu. The Offsite Copy DR report provides details of the offsite copy schedules for all backup jobs replicated from this backup server. Next, we will explore the Application and Databases section reports. Navigate to the Application and DBs tab and select the reports. The Application and Databases section consists of the Dashboard, Backup Job, Data Recovery, Offsite Copy DR report, and more. Now, let's take a look at the Dashboard reports. Select the Dashboard reports and choose the Backup Job Level Overview. The dashboard for backup jobs shows the daily status of all the backup jobs backing up to this backup server. The report highlights the latest schedule status for each day. Next, let's explore the Backup Job report. This report provides details of the backup jobs, including the status and progress of each job. The Backup Jobs report consists of 4 sections: Backup Job Level View, Missed Backup Schedules, Backup Data Retention, and Deleted Backup Jobs. Select the backup job and choose the Backup Job Level View. The Recent Backup Jobs Schedule report provides details of the latest schedule for all backup jobs. It also includes the historical report of these backup jobs. Now select the Missed Backup Schedules. The Missed Backup Schedule report contains details of jobs that did not run at the scheduled time. Select the Backup Data Retention report. The Backup Data Retention report provides details of the backed up file versions and the deleted file versions removed, based on the retention policy configured for each backup job. Next, select the Deleted Backup Jobs report. The Deleted Backup Jobs report contains details of all the deleted backup jobs associated with this backup server. Now, let's explore the Data Recovery report. Select the Applications and DBs Recovery. The Deleted Backup Jobs report provides details of all the backup jobs that have been deleted from this backup server. Next, let's explore Offsite Copy DR Reports. Select the Offsite Copy DR report under the Reports menu. Report provides details of the offsite copy schedules for all the backup jobs replicated from this backup server. Next, let's see about the audit logs. Select the audit logs from the Report menu. The audit log contains the record of events or changes that occurred in BDR servers. Check out the detailed video on email notifications and ConnectWise ticketing, linked in the description below. Now that we've explored the reports from BDR Suite, it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your 30-day free trial. For any assistance, feel free to reach out to BDR Suite Support. Thanks for watching.